Hello, I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro, and I've been a fellow cleaner since 1985. I want to talk to you about Surround Free. Surround Free is one of my oldest products. It's an encapsulation product with T2H polymers. And what the T2H polymers do is they're dustless and they won't change the hand or texture of the fiber, so there's no crunch afterwards. So your customers will love that. Surround Free is a very unique product, and what that does for you is it gives you an absolutely odorless, scentless cleaning product. So when you're in a populated area such as a hospital or a nursing home or a lobby, or even with a residential customer who's sensitive to fragrances and chemical smells, this gives you a tool in your toolbox that helps you take care of these more sensitive environments. Now, Free also has something new to the industry that Bonnet Pro's developed, which is AFT, active film technology. You can read more at bonnetpro.com. And basically what AFT does is it prevents oily binders from attaching to the face fiber as aggressively as they would without it, so subsequent cleanings are much easier and faster. We've noticed that with our commercial accounts and dining rooms, that the AFT helps us to clean faster and easier when we go through these greasy areas again. Now, this product can be used for either a pre-spray for hot water extraction, or it can be used with Bonnet or any other type of low moisture cleaning. It comes with our $7 shipping, so anywhere in the contiguous United States, it's $7 a case. 3 cases or more is free. So you can get this very inexpensively. You can sign up for our auto refill program and we send you out your case every month, and it gets discounted then. So the other thing that you'll like about this is freeze thaw stable. So you can leave it in the truck overnight, or when we're shipping it, you don't have to have any worries when you're in colder climates about getting the product and having it be damaged. So you have completely odorless, it's freeze thaw stable, it's got AFT, it's got the T2H dustless encapsulation polymers, and it's a great value to help you care for your more sensitive customers. You can read more at bonnetpro.com. Thanks for watching.